Hello, friends. The best way to improve your English vocabulary would, of course, be to read a lot of English literature. But then these test takers in GRE or GMAT or SAT or TOEFL or IELTS or even CAT, they try to test you on words which are more difficult than the ones which are normally used by authors or even by newspapers. So, the next best way to improve your vocabulary would then be to go through something like what the big CD people have developed in terms of their flashcards. I find the product excellent. Each card contains a lot of information about the word which is being introduced to you. It tells you the word, it gives you its pronunciation, it also gives the figure of speech, etc. But most important according to me, is it gives you the use of that word in two sentences. Now, English is a language where a single word sometimes has 5 or 6 meanings. So, a lot depends on the reference with which it is used in a sentence. So, I find this system excellent for you to develop your vocabulary in a short period of time when you are wanting to prepare yourself to do well in these exams which I just mentioned. So the big CD flashcards, there are I think about 1,500 of them, and they contain almost all the words that could be asked in these exams. What I would suggest, the method that I would suggest for you to adopt, normally learning words by heart is a very bad idea. Because our brain cannot remember. We can't learn this as if we were learning a poem, for example. So, what you should do, according to me, is to do a little mathematical exercise before you start on this assignment. Let's say there are 1500 words. Now, normally, a person, if he reads the same word thrice, it does remain in his brain to be recalled at the right moment of time. So, we don't want to learn it by heart, but we want to retain it so that we can recall it. So, let's say if you do it 3 times, the word should be easy to recall for your brain. So, that is 1500 words multiplied by 3. That means effectively you have to go through 4500 words. Now, let's say you have 100 days to prepare for the exam. I'm just taking a mathematical example. You can change the figures according to your own convenience. So, let's say if you have to read 4500 words in 100 days, then it works out to 45 words per day. So, that then becomes your goal or your target. They have given an excellent sleeve which can, I think, accommodate about 50 cards. The best way would be to divide those cards according to the level of difficulty. That means 1 star, 2 star, and 3 stars. And then take the 50 words that you take today for reading should be of the same level of difficulty across the alphabets. Because if you take the same alphabet, there is a lot of brain fatigue which can prevent these words from getting deep inside your brain. So use these big CD flashcards. I think they are excellent, and they'll probably prepare you for these exams like nothing else will. Thank you.